Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is Wednesday, February 3rd, and the time is around 4 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at the chart of the Dow. This is a 60 minutes chart, and we can see right here the index ended with 4 right here. Okay, and now has started to rally again. You notice here that this pullback currently is in the form of a double zigzag, WXY here, ABC, ABC. This is a corrective structure. This is not an impulse from this. This is the previous all-time peak here in the Dow, and that by itself, this structure argues that the index remains bullish. Even if at this point it has started to rally from the blue box here, which is what we usually use as an inflection area, and we actually bought this in the live trading room in the blue box, and the position now should be already what we call risk free, meaning even if it doesn't make a new high, because we already put our stop loss to our entry level and we bought it at the right level, the right area, it doesn't matter. Even if it if it reverses to the downside, we're not going to lose money because we always trade in the blue box. Okay, now in at this point it is in the middle, so now it's remains to be seen if this correction is enough, and then the index can rally to new high, or of course the only confirmation at this stage, the only confirmation is only if it can break above wave 3 here. Now until that happens, we can always do another double correction. A larger double correction cannot be ruled out until we break to new all-time high. Okay, but again, the key really is trading at the blue box. That will allow us to have a chance to create what we call a risk-free position, right? So now what do we see here? We are calling this rally here as an impulse, right? We are calling this rally as an impulse, and for now we can see a few more high, but again the structure is a little bit messy right now. But remember, this can be counted also in the worst case scenario. Let's say can be counted as an ABC, right? And if it is an ABC, you end up ending W here, and then this is corrective ABC ending X here, and then you got a bigger pullback again. But again, because this overall structure here is looking corrective to me, so even if it breaks down again, then that entire structure from the peak remains corrective. Okay, because this is also corrective at this point. All right, so now let's take a look at the larger time frame a little bit. So this is the 3 and 4 in the black degree here. In the primary degree, we see here in the 60 minutes chart. So we're talking about 5 waves coming up from the March. Remember the March, there's COVID-19 sell-off here from last year. So that cycle remains alive until today. It's almost 1 year anniversary right now, right, from the COVID-19 low. And this cycle still remains alive. We have not ended this cycle, and we're calling this 1, 2, 3, 4, right, with one more possible high from here, and that should complete what looks to be like a diagonal type of move, right, something like this, and then it may then finish this cycle and then do that bigger pullback or bigger correction in 3 waves to correct the entire cycle from March low. Now the alternate, because indices are bullish, right? Indices are bullish. There's no question on that. Indices are bullish. The alternate, we can be doing a nest. So this could be 1, 2, and then this could be another 1, 2. Now in that kind of scenario, we're gonna explode to the upside instead, right? We're gonna explode to the upside like this in a 3 of 3. But for now, we take the less aggressive view. Just basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. Oh, one more thing here I won't mention is let's suppose instead we break below this previous low here. right? If we break below that low, I think we can consider this cycle completed finally from the March COVID-19 low, right? Because that will be too big, and that suggests that this cycle is finished. Then maybe you can just call this entire move ending, so as some sort of wave one here, right? And then you can then correct this entire 1 year rally in case it breaks below the previous low, because if it breaks below the previous low, that will also more or less breaking above the ascending trend line over here. So a good chance that we might be finishing up already this cycle if we break below this previous low right here. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you do want to get regular updates, you can check our service. We have 14 days free trial. I will provide the link in the description of the video. See you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.